Hello everyone. If you don't know how to rank your website using the blog or what topic you have to write the blog so that you can rank your website on the Google, then you are at the right place. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what are the topics you should focus on to rank higher on the Google, and also you will have enough ideas to write the blog for at least of 6 months. So let's suppose if you are writing one blog post a day, then it will be for 6 months, and then you will not have to worry about what topic should I focus on, whether I need to do a keyword research or not, and all. So here is the plan. We have to come up with the subcategory of the offer which we are providing, or the services which you are providing to the end user. So let's suppose if your services are video editing, then the subcategory would be setting up mic and camera, voice, theme, scripting and all. So you have to come up with at least 10 subcategories of your uh, industry, and then what you have to do is the next step is to create a Google sheet where you can write all the things. Then you can it will be easier for you to manage it, whether you have posted that or not, whether you have write a blog for it or not. So let me create a new Google sheet, and then maybe I will show you how you have to do it. Or if I will have the template already, then I will show you how it would look like. So if I will go to Google Drive, and then I will create a new spreadsheet so I can show you how it will look like. So the first thing what I will do is I would create a subcategory in video editing like scripting, setting up the mic and camera, filming, editing, thumbnail, doing SEO, then ideation. So this is the basic idea. You have to come up with at least 10 subcategories in your industry, and then you can maybe style it a little bit so it will be better for you, and then maybe okay. So once you have wrote down at least 10 of your subcategories, I have write down 5 or 6 of them for just giving you idea that how it would look like. Then what you have to do is you have to go to ChatGPT, and then get 50 FAQ from all of the subcategory which you have chosen. So let's suppose there is one thing which is filming. So you have to go to ChatGPT and then paste this prompt which you can find in the description of this video, or if you want I can send it to you if you will just comment down to this video. So what I will have to do is I will go to ChatGPT, and then I will paste this, and what you have to do is you have to write here filming the video, and then ChatGPT will give you 50 high level FAQ ideas which will be related to filming. And then what you have to do is copy these all and then put it in the spreadsheet, and then what you have to do is figure out 20 which will be based from these 50. So let's suppose if you have 10 subcategories, then in that case you will have 200 ideas on which you can write the blog. As I'm showing this example, this will be for the website who is focusing on educating the YouTubers that how you can film, how you can do the scripting and all. So this can work for all of the industry. So let's suppose if your website is of tech, if your website is of providing any services, whether it is web design, whether it is SEO, then you can just play around with the industry and then follow the same step, and then it will give you the ideas which we are doing right now. So then let's suppose we have done the thing of scripting, then I will go there and then paste it there here, because right now it is giving us in two columns. So what I have to do is write down here, just provide me the data, provide me the list in CSV structure so that I can paste it directly on the Google Sheet. So it will restructure all the things in CSV structure, and then you can just copy it and then paste it there, so you will not have to remove the spaces, if you know what I'm trying to say. And then you are good to go. You have 50 ideas. If you want, you can trim it down, and then you can do whatever you want to do. So you have to go through all of these and then find out which 20 are the best which I can write the blog on. So let's suppose the first one is how do you plan cinematic sequence to maintain narrative flow. So this is a good one, so you can just highlight with some of the colors, and then you will find out that this is the one topic on which I have to write the blog. So this is the simple step in which you can come up with the unlimited ideas. As I have told you already that if you will have 10 subcategories and you will have 10 category, of course, then you will be able to get at least of 200 ideas, and it will be totally focused on educating your customer that how they will be doing it. So let's suppose if you have the website of blogging in which you are educating YouTubers or the person who is trying to make the videos, then you can also sell your products by educating these things. So they will know that they already know all the things related to my industry, how we need to film, how we need to edit, and then it will be a good thing to educate your target audience. After that, what you can do is go to the chat GPT, and then you can take the help in writing the blog. And also don't totally rely on the chat GPT. You will have to give your touch points as well, that what you can add in that blog. If you are taking the help of AI as well, then also you will have to uh, do some things from yourself and add a personal touch to the blog. Then after that, what you can do is schedule the blog post for a week at once if you want, and then you can do the SEO. And then the next step is you will have to submit the sitemap if you know what the sitemap is, and then you are good to go. So in today's video I have shown you how you can get the unlimited ideas for writing the blogs. If you want a video on how I write the blog for my website and my clients to rank higher on the Google using the keywords and all, then you can just comment down to this video, and then I will create a video on how I can write the blog. So this was all about this video. If you find this video useful, share it with someone who might need this video. Thanks and bye for now.